Okay, now I think everybody is aware of spanning tree, minimum spanning tree, and Puskal algorithm. Unless until these concepts are clear, don't try to understand this problem. Correct? This is a picture of a graph. Obviously, this is not a tree because this has a cycle. And from 6 to 1, 6 is a vertex, 1 is a vertex. The weight is 10. From 1 to 2, the weight is 28. Correct. Now the problem is how to apply Prim's algorithm to solve the problem. This is the Prim's algorithm. It is a greedy approach. Greedy approach means I try to solve it such a way that I'll definitely get a solution. And it is used for finding the minimum spanning tree of a given graph. And here comes the algorithm. Just memorize the algorithm. If the question comes, write the algorithm, simply write it. Otherwise using this algorithm, understanding the problem solving will be a difficult one. The best part is the way I am solving it. Try to understand the steps. Correct? So this was my picture, and in a single page I have drawn both. Okay. So minimum spanning tree. I can select randomly any point. Okay, I am now selecting random point, that is 6. So from 6 I can go to 1, I can go to 25. So between 10 and 25, which one is minimum? 10. So write this 10. Okay, now what I have? I have a set of 1 and 2. So between, sorry, I have a set of 6 and 1. These are the vertices. So from 6 and 1, I need to find the vertex that are connected to 6 and 1. From 1, 28 is connected, from 2 is connected, and the weight is 20. From 6, 5 is connected, the weight is 25. So 28 and 25, which one is minimum? 25 is minimum. So I will draw this. See? Okay. Now what are the elements that I have? Now I have 3 set element, 6, 1 and 5. Now you need to check from 1 where you can go, from 6 where you can go, and from 5 where you can go. From 1 I can go to 2 and the weight is 28. Now from 5 I can go to 22. Between 28 and 22, which one is minimum? 22 is minimum. So this one is 22. Correct. Okay, now what are the elements that I have? Now I have 4 vertices, 6, 1, 5 and 4. So from 5 I can I can go to 7, I can go to 4. Correct? Okay, from 4 where I can go? I can go to 7, that is 18. From 4 I can go to 3, that is 12. So this one is 18 and this one is 12. So which one is minimum? Between 18 and 12, 12 is minimum. So I will go to this part. This one is 12. Now 6, 1, 5, 4. Now consider this vertex. And from all these vertices, where can you go? Correct. So from 4 I can go to 7. The weight is 80. And from 3 I can go to 2, that is 16. From 5 I can go to 7, that is 24. So from these and these, the possibilities. From 5 I can go to 7, from 4 I can go to 7, from 3 I can go to 2. So what is the minimum value? Okay, the minimum value is 16. Between 24, 18 and 16, the minimum value is 16. Okay, great. Okay, now from I have set of elements like 6, 1, 5, 4, 16. So from 2 I can go to 28, but from 2 if I go to 28, this will create a cycle, correct? If I draw this picture, so this will create a cycle, so I cannot go to 1. 28 will create a cycle. So what are the other points that I can go? From 2 I can go to 7. So between 28 and 14, which one is minimum? Minimum is 14. So I will draw this. So this is the picture, correct? And the weight is 10 plus 25 plus 22 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16. 10, 25, 22, 12, 14 and 16. At these points, you will get the weight of the minimum spanning tree.